The statue of Christ the Redeemer was completed in 1931. And the statue of Christ the Redeemer, located atop the Corcovado Mountain in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, was indeed completed in 1931. It was built as a symbol of Brazilian Christianity and is one of the most famous landmarks in Brazil, as well as one of the most recognizable statues in the world. The statue stands at a height of 38 meters, 128 feet, not including its pedestal, which extends its total height to 98 feet, 30 meters. The idea for the statue came from the Catholic Circle of Brazilian journalists in 1920, and it was designed by the French sculptor Paul Landowski, with the structural framework designed by the Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa and the French engineer Albert Caquot. The statue's hands were sculpted by Gheorghe Leonida, a Romanian sculptor. Christ the Redeemer has become a cultural icon of Rio de Janeiro and Brazil, and in 2007, it was named one of the new 7 Wonders of the World, a list compiled by the Swiss-based New 7 Wonders Foundation through a worldwide poll. The statue attracts thousands of tourists every year and is a significant symbol of peace and Christianity. Christ the Redeemer is considered a wonder of the world for several reasons. 1. Cultural and religious significance. The statue is a powerful symbol of Christianity and a cultural icon for both Rio de Janeiro and Brazil. It represents the faith, tradition, and the spirit of the Brazilian people. 2. Architectural feat. Standing at 98 feet tall with a 92-foot arm span, Christ the Redeemer is the largest Art Deco-style sculpture in the world. Its construction was a significant engineering achievement, especially given its location atop Mount Corcovado. 3. Historical context. Conceived in the 1850s and realized in the early 20th century, the statue commemorates the centennial of Brazilian independence and celebrates national unity and peace. 4. Symbolic protector. The statue is seen as a guardian of the city, symbolizing protection and shelter for its inhabitants. It stands as a representation of Jesus Christ's blessings and protection over the people. 5. Recognition and fame. In 2007, Christ the Redeemer was voted one of the new 7 Wonders of the World, cementing its status as a globally recognized landmark. The combination of its religious importance, architectural brilliance, historical significance, and its role as a symbol of protection contribute to its designation as a wonder of the world.